ইউক্রেন থেকে পেমেন্ট আনে আমাদের ব্রাহ্মণবাড়িয়া জেলার বিজয়নগর উপজেলায় কালাচড়া নামক গ্রামে কৃতি সন্তান যেমন আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি আজকে বৃষ্টি পড়তি তার সাথে যে পেমেন্ট আনে এরকম একটা সৎ মেধাবী যোগ্য ভালো একজন ছেলে সেই সুদূর ইউক্রেন থেকে পোল্যান্ড হয়ে আজকে কিন্তু আমাদের বাংলাদেশে আজকে আপনারা দেখতে পেলেন যে আমাদের মিডিয়ার মাধ্যমে যে বিবাহ সম্পন্ন হয়েছে এবং উনি খ্রিস্টান ধর্ম থেকে মুসলিম ইসলাম ধর্ম গ্রহণ করেছেন। অনেক সাধুবাদ। At first, take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. How do you do now? How are you?
It's good.
How can you meet me?
How?
Facebook.
Yeah, it's
Facebook media.
Yeah, media.
Facebook media.
It's come Facebook first.
Facebook.
Yeah, it's not like that. Look, it's like that.
কথাগুলো যেন উঠে।
Source and come like that.
Okay, thank
It's
you.
come too much feeling,
Another question with you. Another question again with you.
Yes.
Dear brothers, please tell us a little about it. Describe now.
A little about it.
Something.
It's come. Stop.
Okay.
Stop.
এটা কি এন্টার মধ্যে বইটা
আচ্ছা আটক না সমস্যা ওকে
Maybe ask about this. So how can you love me? Who say first love you like that?
Definitely I will say.
Yeah.
At this moment are you a convert new Muslim?
Yeah, it's come Muslim. Muhammad, yeah.
New Muslim name
Muhammad.
Muhammad. How long is your love history?
It's come 2 years.
Like 2 years.
Yeah,
2 years.
like 2 years.
2 years.
Yeah.
Are you successful in love?
Yes.
Success.
Oh, say.
You love me, success in marriage. You know that is success.
Success. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. How do you feel at this moment? Describe now.
It's fast. Fast when I come in English. Very cheap.
How do you feel?
It's
How do
good.
you feel?
It's good.
It's good.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. You can see that a young man has come to Brahmanbaria from far away Ukraine for love. He is getting married now at this moment. Before that, he converted from Christianity to Islam.
Yeah, this.
After he came to Bangladesh,